Mazak is displaying at WESTEC 2019. It's the first time in 11 years that Mazak has been at the WESTEC show.
So our 100th anniversary is actually something we're extremely proud of. We started out with making machinery for straw mats, and we've evolved into one of the leading machine tool companies in the world.
We really wanted to celebrate. This is a big honor, so we're showing off all the newest machines that are available from Mazak. We made an extra effort to bring out our most popular equipment. We are showing our brand new horizontal HCN 5000. We're showing a brand new friction stir welding machine.
We partnered with Mazak Megastir to develop some new technology, and being able to have a machine that not only can cut metal but also can weld metal through friction stir welding.
I think more and more what you're seeing is consumers who want to be able to take multiple processes that were typically done off of the machine. Now they can integrate them and combine their processes to just create a better throughput through their shop.
And we're also showing our flagship, the Integrex.
So the Integrex i300S that we have on display here is definitely what we would consider a flagship in our multitasking arena of machines. So multitasking would be where we would take and have multiple operations for milling and turning all combined in one machining platform. We call that done in one. We do have the new smooth control. So some of the machines we make in Kentucky, we have our smooth C control, and then we have our smooth X and smooth G out of all those machines.
It's a touchscreen control. It has a lot of new features that enable people to not only use Mazak easily, but also EIA. So there's a lot of new input with 3D models that definitely help when somebody's trying to program a new part.
So here at WESTEC, we are displaying some of our QT style machines, our VC machines, and then also made in Kentucky, along with those machines, we have our VTC style machines.
So because Mazak has not shown its equipment for 10 plus years here at WESTEC show, it was really important for us to show the new equipment, the brand new control. We really wanted to show it off and expose it to all our customers.
So far, the WESTEC show has been very nice. There's been great foot traffic. We have a lot of interested consumers looking at machine purchases.
I really like the city of Long Beach. It's my first time here. Definitely never been to Southern California before, so felt very welcoming.
There is lots of entertainment. It's got a great vibe and just an overall good location for a venue like this.